Hello viewers, I'm Sudhir Chandra and I welcome you to my channel on the YouTube, and the topic today is excessive sneezing. ज़रूर से ज़्यादा छींके आना, नाक की प्रॉब्लम है। और जो ट्रीटमेंट मैं एक्वाप्रेशर का आपको दूंगा, सीधे हाथ के अंगूठे पे इसका ट्रीटमेंट दिया जाएगा। एक्वाप्रेशर पॉइंट्स पे कलर लगाए जाएंगे and I guarantee, I assure you, they are very, very effective points. I have used the same points for myself also, and I found that these points work miracles. So, the points which I am going to tell you are as following. I am applying red color. I am applying orange color. Orange. This is orange color. The 2 points which you see, these are orange. These are orange colors. This is the line. This is my right hand thumb. And this line, the division on the thumb, it is a bit giving little distance. You could just see it clearly how much distance it is. And these 2 dots are coming right in from the center. The central line has got no points, but these 2 points are in the middle of this thumb, a bit above the joint. I have applied orange color to these points. The next is yellow color. Here is the yellow color. This time I have applied yellow color bit more so that you could see it. These are the yellow colors, yellow dots. See the location. It comes straight line, little below this joint. These 2 points are above the joint and these 2 points are below the joint. See, this is yellow color. And the next color which I have applied is blue, light blue. And the points which you see, this is blue, this is blue, this is blue, and this is blue. This is the last joint of the thumb. So it is not on the last joint but a bit above the joint. ये थोड़ा सा ऊपर आता है, इस जॉइंट से थोड़ा सा ऊपर आता है। और ये दोनों ब्लू कलर जो हैं, ये पीले वाले कलर से थोड़ा सा नीचे हैं। आप देख सकते हैं, यू कुड जस्ट सी इट, see the locations. If there anything, you could contact me, ask those questions in the comment box. I will be soon giving you my WhatsApp number and you could discuss the matter with me. I shall regularly be giving you different treatments on different with the help of these colors. Whatever diseases are possible which can be given with the help of the colors, I shall be giving you. These sneezing points which I am giving you, they give miracle results. Many of my patients have got so fast. They were sneezing and when these colors were applied, their sneezing stopped. So they are so effective. For some, it might take little time, and for some, it will work as soon as these colors are applied. So viewers, do give a liking to my videos, subscribe me and share me so that we could continue our lectures on this color therapy and treatment on acupressure points. I shall regularly be giving you different uh, points, different treatments of different diseases. If you have got any particular disease you would like to know about me, you could send it in the comment box. Okay, viewers, bye.